viewers, welcome to my channel. My name is Farooq Ahmed and this video basis only information purpose. I'm not giving you any financial advice in this video. If you want to invest in cryptocurrency, you must complete research. After that, you will do this. So viewers, this video is going to be very interesting for you. If you want to get more information about cryptocurrency, you must watch this video till end. And also subscribe my channel, like my video, share with your friend, and must press bell icon button because this is a necessity for you. So let's go over laptop screen. So yes, today we are going to also discuss about Binance Smart Chain Wallet, and in this video we are going to discuss how we can deposit amount in your this wallet. This is so simple and easy, so please must watch this video till end. This video is going to very informative for you, but first of all please subscribe my channel. My channel name is Crypto Wallets Info, and also press the bell icon button. And if you need to get same information in Urdu language, then you can join my other channel, Best Cryptocurrency Wallets. So today we are going to deposit some amount in our Binance Smart Chain Wallet. We are going to discuss how to get the wallet address and how to send the money on this wallet. Simple is that. First of all, we are going to log in our wallet and get the wallet address. Then we will open the Binance exchange.com, and I have some amount in BNB. Sorry, I have entered my wrong password. Simple enter password. I have enter password here. Simple click on unlock, and now the wallet is open in front of me, and you can see here this time I have selected BNB Smart Chain, and there is available BNB wallet. Let's suppose you want to deposit on BNB, Etereum, BTCB, or any other wallet. You can use same scenario, which is I'm going to tell you in this video. Okay, so don't take any tension when you are going to deposit. Simple click on wallet, which amount you are going to deposit. You can see here the BNB wallet is open in front of me. I simple click on receive button, and after that this is my wallet address. This is my wallet address. I just simple copy my wallet address, and you can also scan the QR code from this from the application of QR code scanner. Just simple download the QR codes application from your mobile, scan this QR code and get same wallet ID. Let's suppose I have copy my wallet address, BNB wallet address. Now I'm going to open my Binance wallet. The Binance.com, the official link of your wallet. Going to simple enter your email or your password. It's depend on you which user you are used. I have entered my login and password. Enter my username and password. Simple click on login button, and you can see here I have opened Binance.com, and I need to put here enter my 6-digit Google authentication because my account is fully protected with Google authentication. So I'm going to enter my Google authentication option and click on submit. After submit, your account will be logged in front of you. I have minor amount in my Binance account, and we are going to try deposit in Binance Smart Chain Wallet. Okay, so Binance account is going to open in front of me, and now you can see here Binance account is open in front of me, and this time I have amount in BNB shape in my Binance account only 0.0042. So we are going to try transfer this amount and deposit in my Binance Smart Chain Wallet. If not done, so but you can use same scenario, which is I'm giving to information about how to deposit. Okay, simple. Going to click on wallet button, click on Fiat and Sport, then open, and you can see here there is some BNB 0.002. so if we are going to transfer fund and deposit in Binance Smart Chain Wallet, simple go to the click on withdrawal option. After that you just simple put here your wallet address, which is we have copy from Binance Smart Chain Wallet. Simple paste here. You can see here this wallet address is shown and automatically network is selected BIP20, because you know this wallet is Binance Smart Chain Wallet and the network name is BIP20, so automatically selected here. So I have minor amount in my wallet, so that I just simply click on maximum and then click on withdrawal option. Okay, click on withdrawal option. When you are going to enter any amount here, so you can see here fee charge here 0.005. So the amount to withdrawal must be at least 0.01. so I need to amount here 0.01, but I have this time 0.0042, but no problem, you can use same scenario. Just simple enter your amount here, and after that click on withdrawal option and then complete the verification. Then your amount transfer from your Binance account to your Binance Smart Chain Wallet. After complete transactions, so you can check your amount in your main interface of your Binance wallet, Binance Smart Chain Wallet. And if you see here, your fund will be shown on this portion on BNB. I have not this time 0.01 BNB, I have just 0.004, so that amount is insufficient for the transfer from Binance account to Binance Smart Chain Wallet. But if you have big amount into your wallet, so you can easily transfer. You can use same scenario which is I told you in this video. Just simple copy your wallet address, go to the open your exchange, after that click on withdrawal, then paste your wallet address where you want to receive money, and then complete the verification like your Google authentication, your mobile SMS verification. Then your transaction will be completed and your fund will be received in your this portion. And you can also use same scenario with other cryptocurrency like ADA, Atoms, BTC-B or ETC, Link, LTC, Near or TRX. You can use same scenario with other cryptocurrency. Okay, so guys, I hope you properly understand how can you deposit amount in your Binance Smart Chain Wallet. So if you get any information from this video, so please subscribe my channel. My channel name is Crypto Wallets Info, and also press the bell icon button. And if you need to get same information in Urdu language, then you can join my other channel, Best Cryptocurrency Wallets. So if you face any problem, you can mail to my email address cryptowalletsinfo@gmail.com, and you can also comments below this video. I must read your comments and I hope I will resolve your problem. So let's meet with you in new video. Bye bye.